everyone, welcome back to Obsessive Chicks. I've got my son Austin here, and we are going to show you how to make a stove out of 4 cinder blocks. So come along as we make dinner tonight. It's going to be a regular camp out. What do you think?
Get it going.
Let's get it going. So we've got a good cast iron frying pan on here, and we are going to make my mother's corn tortilla thingies. It's coming out hot. Alright, so our hot dogs are all done. What we're going to do next, we're going to put a little bit of oil in the pan.
You like me?
And we're going to heat up some tortillas. More oil. It's hot. Okay, I've got a corn tortilla, American slice of cheese, and the hot dog. So we're going to roll it up, and we're going to put it seam side down. So what do you think, Austin? Any suggestions?
I'd say starting the fire, I would definitely have a smaller kindle, like very dry brush or leaves, or you could bring newspaper with you or some toilet paper, something like that. It would definitely help get the process going a lot faster.
Also, like you had said, like if you have a crock pot with a lid on it, you could definitely do something longer period, slow cook, like a crock pot, but you know, with a saucepan with a lid on it.
And then definitely on your top brick, you would have to, you'll have to shift it around a little bit just to find your best airflow, where you could have the smoke come out one vent of the brick and have your open flame come out the brick where your pan's gonna be. Other than that, cooking wise, it gets really hot after a little while, so you can cook just about anything in your pan.
Yep. Anyways, I hope this helps somebody out, you know, with a couple blocks, you know, in a world of SHTF situation, or even take some bricks to take out camping with you. Definitely easy way to do a stove. We hope you have a wonderful day, and if you liked our video, please subscribe, and if you want to be notified for future videos, ring the bell. Have a blessed day.
Thank you.
You know, in a situation where you needed fire, you could definitely keep this burning 24 hours a day if you wanted to. I mean, it's just a little bit of kindling, and it's just another neat way of making a stove without having to go purchase one. And especially in an SHTF situation, you know, you're going to have to use the things that are around you. So if, you know, if it's knocking a hole in a block wall to get some block to make a stove, then that's what you got to do.